In this video we're going to learn how you ask when somebody's birthday is and answer that question. ¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños? When is your birthday? Mi cumpleaños es el 3 de marzo. My birthday is the 3rd of March. In order to be able to do this, we need to know the months of the year. We'll need to expand our knowledge of numbers from 21 up to 31. And we'll need to ask and answer the simple question, when is your birthday? So here we have the 12 months of the year, los 12 meses del año. Un mes is the Spanish word for a month. I'll just run through the pronunciation of the months for you. Enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre. Just a couple of things to notice about the spelling of these words. First of all of them have lowercase letters. The months never have capital letters in Spanish. There are also a few of the months of the year on which it's easy to make spelling mistakes, so we need to look particularly carefully, for example, at septiembre, octubre, noviembre, and especially diciembre. Even agosto perhaps as well, noting that it doesn't have any U's in it. Okay, so next we come to the numbers from 21 to 31. You can see them up above me on the screen, and I'll just run through the pronunciation of them again for you quickly. Here we go: 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and then 31 at the bottom there, 31. So the first thing to notice about the numbers in the 20s, rather like the numbers 16, 17, 18 and 19, is that they are spelt all as one word. 21 is written all as one word. We need also to notice that all the numbers from 21 up to 29 have an I in the middle of them. Of course, the word for 20 itself, 20, which we met previously, ends in an E. But when we put it together with the word for and, which we can see when we're looking at 31, 30 and 1, the Spanish literally says, the numbers in the 20s run this all together into one word. And so the Y in 31 becomes an I written in the middle of the word. So it's a common spelling mistake to make, to think, first of all, that the words in the 20s are not one word, to spell them out as three separate words. Another common mistake to be avoided is imagining that they have the E on the end of 20, just 20 on its own, in the middle of the word. Three of them have accents. The easy way to remember which ones these are that it's the three words that end in S: 22, 23, 26. There we go, that's the numbers from 21 up to 31. Okay, so now I want to be able to put all this together to ask and answer the main question that is the focus of this video, and that's the question, when is your birthday? So that brings us first of all to our first question word in Spanish, not quite our first question word, but a new question word for us. ¿Cuándo? ¿Cuándo? When? The forming of the question, ¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños? Is very similar to the English. So we have the question word ¿Cuándo? Es, from the verb to be, is. And then we need to know the Spanish words for my and your. In the question there you can see the word for your, tú, and in the answer a little bit below the word for my, mi. Cumpleaños is the word for birthday. Literally, it means that you are completing, fulfilling years. Años, cumple, años. So the structure of the question, therefore, is a fairly literal translation. ¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños? When is your birthday? And again, the answer, as we can see below, is translated fairly literally from English. Mi cumpleaños es el 12 de febrero. My birthday is the 12th of February. I said fairly literally because, of course, you'll notice that Spanish does not use what we call the ordinal numbers, 12th, 23rd, to give dates. It just uses the ordinary cardinal numbers, 12, 23, 12, 23. But it does use the same structure as English to give the date the plus the number plus de of plus the month. So there we go, we get ¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños? When is your birthday? And the answer, mi cumpleaños es el 12 de febrero. My birthday is the 12th of February. Mi cumpleaños es el 23 de octubre. My birthday is the 23rd of October. So you should now be able to ask the question, when is your birthday, and give the answer for yourself.